How to hide verses on the Tarteel app. In order to use our flagship feature of hiding verses within the app, make sure that you're on the main Qur'an screen, inshallah. Wherever you want to recite from, open it, inshallah. So going to the bottom right of your screen, you'll see a mic symbol if you're in recite mode. And if you're not in recite mode, then you'll be in listening mode, which will be denoted by a play button symbol. Hold the play button symbol and you'll have the option of selecting recite. Upon pressing that, you'll be in recite mode. At the bottom left of your screen, you'll see an eye symbol with a line crossing it. Tap this symbol and it will blank out the verses of the page, leaving only the verse markers visible. By tapping the mic symbol and reciting, the Tarteel app will begin to fill in the blanks, inshallah. So once you've got the verses blanked out, sometimes on your Qur'an journey, you'll find yourself in a situation where you're reciting into the app and you can't recall the next word. So the Tarteel app has something called peeking, where you can essentially like peek at the next word or look at the next word by tapping the arrow next to the eye symbol. So you'll see a single arrow and you see a double arrow on the right side of the eye with the cross through it symbol, inshallah. So you can click the arrow symbol and it will give you a peek at the next word. And you can use this as much as possible. So for example, like if you get stuck at an ayah and you can't record the next word, then you can press that arrow, it will give you the next word on the page, but only that next word. If you need more than that, then you can click the arrow again, it will show you the next word, the second word, the third word, etc. But if you need more prompt than that, so you can click the two arrows and it will show you the entire verse to come, inshallah. And that can help sometimes kickstart your memory and allow you to continue reciting, inshallah ta'ala. What's really cool about this feature as well, inshallah, is if you want to test out your memory even further, not only can you blank out the verses, but you can also blank out the verse markers as well, inshallah. Head to your settings. In the top right of your screen, tap the settings cog symbol, and under the Qur'an appearance section, you'll find a subsection titled Hidden Verses. Upon tapping this, you have the ability to toggle on or off both the hide verses and hide verse markers as well, inshallah. As shown, ensure you turn on hide verse markers to challenge your hifl to the next level, inshallah ta'ala. Honestly, such an incredible feature on the app, subhanallah. Imagine never before could you do this, where you can literally recite into a blank canvas of the Qur'an, a page from anywhere in the Mus'haf, and it will follow your recitation along and identify that, inshallah. And this is a really, really cool way to test your memorization, where you may not have anyone who can listen to you in that given time, inshaAllah ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to implement this on our journey with the Qur'an and make this of benefit to us. Please share, inshaAllah ta'ala, so others can utilize this feature on their journey. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.